What's up, Missybeelondon here. Quick little chit chat. What's going on? Why am I doing it on my head? I don't know. But yeah, just let you know my plans on the Missybeelondon channel. I do plan to continue to do beauty videos, tutorials, beauty box unboxing videos and everything, and fashion hopefully as well. But it's a thing, I'm not really buying a lot of clothes, so but I do plan to do a clothing haul in February or in March. But the beauty things will continue, beauty tips, beauty tutorials, and I might try to do more story times if I can actually tell a story properly, because I don't think I explain things properly sometimes, hence why I don't do a lot of story times, because I'm not a good storyteller. But yeah, that is my kind of plans. Oh yeah, to reach 2,000 subscribers on this channel as well, maybe by summertime. I don't even know, because I know I've reached over 1,000 now, so gotta keep pushing through to get 2,000, maybe 2,000 plus. Who knows how it'll work out. To get more views on my videos as well. I suppose I'm in front of the camera more, so you know, talking more about other stuff as well, which I would like to get into eventually. I don't know if you've seen the other video yet, because I'm depending on how I schedule the other videos, but I was saying I've still got issues with doing videos right now because the laptop's still giving me issues. But it's like, yeah, it will get sorted out eventually. And the way I'm putting out videos now, it's like, but the things I want to do is just has to be put on the back burner. The giveaway has to be put on the back burner, because I can't really do a giveaway right now if the channel is not at its best. The content is good, but not at its best, like I'm saying. But yeah, if I don't do the giveaway this month, but I don't think I will, it will be February or March. And I was thinking to do 2 giveaways. It will be one for this channel, Missybeelondon, and one for the Instagram page, Missybeelondon as well, because there is a lot of items which I realised, so I thought, let me split them up into 2 boxes for the 2 social media platforms, so to say. You know, I will do my you know, I will do my black owned beauty box, My Ebony Box, every month, which I will do to the best of my ability every month, even though I've got tech issues, so to say. Yeah, like I said, more beauty stuff. I've got stuff to try out, even trying out new products and stuff, you know, things I've just been released. I'm gonna try and do that. Maybe I'm saying too much, because the thing I'm saying, I'm gonna try, but then have I got time to do these stuff because of my job, so to say. But you know what, things work out, things have a plan, things have a way of going. Yeah, of course I wanted to do more collaborations with brands and other YouTubers as well. You know what, let's just see how the year works out. January, to me, January right now is like more of a ideas, thinking, planning, trying to do some bulk recording while I can. And then February will be my January, because hopefully when February comes, I'll have many videos to put out, and would have filmed many videos that are ready to put out and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm so tired right now, but you know what, I just thought, let me try and record some videos in bulk, so I have got the material, so when I have those long days at work, or when I have those tired days when I'm off work, and when I have those sick days when I can't do anything, at least there is still things or videos of me that I can put out. Because if it ain't these videos of me in the video, it will be screenshots or doing voiceovers as well, which is good. But to be honest, even my hair channel, which I just created in December, is not going well because I've just not got time to do hair videos. I did this hairstyle, but I just couldn't record it because I was in a rush getting ready for work. And you know how it is. You got the camera on you. Things take longer to do as well. So, it's, you know, it's a time thing. But I can recreate this hairstyle to do a video for which I would put out on Missybeelondon Has Natural Hair channel eventually. You know what, just give me time. Like I said, I will figure things out. I've got so much. Oh yeah, I should show you this maybe. I don't know if this helps. This is what I wrote. Yeah, this is what I wrote maybe December. I don't know if you can actually see that. See, that's what I'm saying. I do write down stuff. But it's not just about writing down stuff. It is about actually implementing your plans. So you see, I've got the ideas, got many other ideas, but that's just in my face right now because I put it on my kitchen fridge, you know, so I know it's in my face all the time. And could that be a thing that you go to every day to check to eat some food? So it's in my face, hence why when I'm looking at the camera now, the fridge is there in front of me, so to say. So I was just looking at that because, like I said, I have got ideas. But yes, let's see how this works out. And I'm doing this on my camera because hopefully I figured out the way of sending the video to the mobile phone to edit and put out on YouTube, because you can do it on Wi-Fi. So for that, but still a process again. But thank you for watching. I'll leave it like that. Hopefully you get the gist of my plans, even though I don't really think I really got into depth of my proper plans, so to say. But yes, you know what, it's a thing when you see it, you'll see it. But thank you for watching, and I will see you, or you will hear me, in the next video. Missybeelondon out, and don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, give me some feedback in the comments box. If you subscribe and you're new, don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss out on anything, because even though I'm not doing right now what I plan to be doing on this channel, I still be putting out stuff that is relatable, advice, tips, yada yada yada. So there'll always be things that I will try to put out, because it's not a thing. That was very fast. It's not a thing that I'm quitting YouTube, because I'm not quitting YouTube, but it's just a thing that what I can do for now is what I can do for now, and then it can only get better. But see you in the next video. Bye.